Today you'll learn some amazing tricks that will take you to another level. With our channel, Workshop Insider, we begin. And let's start with a simple way to cut something if you don't get an ordinary grinder. And here's an easy way to forget about building dust once and for all. And it's very easy to do. Just repeat after me. Now your workplace is much cleaner. Installing skirting boards has never been so easy. You'll need a simple pencil and a screw. It happens that among all the tools you have, you can find the right one. But it doesn't matter. Now you'll learn how to make your own, which will take its rightful place in the list of your tools. And for the next trick, we need a bolt. We can cut off a thread from it and screw in a screw. With a simple tool, it will much be easier for you to wind the wire. Now, with the help of a magnet and a small container, you can easily collect nails. And here's a way to stop suffering from cutting off paper rolled into a roll. Just take a plastic tube, a utility knife blade, and repeat after me. There's no need to hold the baseboard and wait. Let your knowledge work for you. Take double-sided tape and planks. It's just that they save you a lot of time. Don't converge the board base? Then this trick is for you. Just take a piece of paper and line it up. Now attach the base board, cut along the line. Perfect! Corners have always been a big challenge for laying laminate flooring, but now it's in the past. Just do as I do. Drilling a pipe is not an easy task, but thanks for this new technique, you will forget about the difficulties. You'll need a small piece of wood. Everything is ready. The tube will not run away from your drill anymore. This is one of my favorite tricks. After all, it allows you to quite simply and efficiently connect bare wires. Repeat after me. It just seems complicated. Great, everything is ready. Just look at the result. How often do you dull your knife? This was a real problem for me. But thanks to this trick, it's in the past. All you need is 2 lighters. We take off the tops. We take 2 flint wheels. This is how easy and simply you made a miniature but very useful sharpener. Enjoy! Also please, like, and subscribe. And see you soon!